Hello students, this is the first class of your English language and literature. Now we are going to start our English classes for class 9th, and we have to read both language and literature. First of all, I am going to start the literature class, and from the first book Beehive. We have two books, and from the first book we are going to start from the book Beehive, and the first lesson of this book is the fun they had. The fun they had. This is a story based on future, written by Isaac Asimov. And I must tell you before reading this chapter that this story is based on future. That what will be the for what form of a school will be in future. What form of a school will be in future. What will be the process of teaching, what will be the process of learning, what will be the structure of a school. In this story, you will find what the author has imagined about the future school. Before you there is given, the story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. The author says that the author imagines that in future maybe schools and books that we have nowadays, like a building, like books of written on papers, there will be not such facilities in future. How will children study then? Then how will the students of the future will study? The diagram below may have give some ideas. That means you have seen that some diagram is given in the picture, that what kind of school will be there. First, in the picture you can see that learning through computers. That means in future students will learn through computers, not by books. Virtual classroom. That means there will be no buildings. Only students will study in his. That means suppose you have a house and there are so many dining room, kitchen room, and so things. Then in future maybe there will be also a classroom in your house, and you will learn everything in the virtual classroom with the help of computers. Robotic teachers. Maybe there will be robotic teachers who will teach you in your house. There will be a timetable and the robotic teacher will take your classes. Moving e-text. That means in place of books there may be e-text. So in pairs, it is given also as a homework to you. In pairs, discuss 3 things that you like best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. First of all, tell how do you like your schools, and write also 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages of your school. Have you ever read words on a television for computer screens? Suppose most of the students in this lockdown period, I think all of the students are reading through cell phones, laptops or computers. So I think you have read so many books, so many chapters through your e-books or through your mobile network. Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on paper? Already the author imagines that there will be some time when there will be no printed books, no use of papers. Would you like such books better? Then would you like these books better or not? So this story, the fun they had, we are going to start, or we will start in our next video. But first of all, you have to learn the hard words that is given in your books, like quickly, with many folds or lines, with many folds or lines. Suppose you fold a paper and there become so many lines. That is called crinkly. Next, attic. Attic, a square space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Also said that you can say here is given a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. That means you know that in Hindi I will say that छत के ऊपर जो छोटा सा कमरा बना होता है जिस पे लोग सामान वगैरह रखते हैं, that is called attic. Means a place or a storeroom just like that is built on the roof or especially for this purpose for a storeroom is called attic. Next one, a scornful. A scornful. Sorry. Again. A scornful. Contemptuous. Contemptuous. Things that you think that these are useless things. Whatever you think these are useless, they will be called as scornful. Next one is slot. Slot. In examination, you are given to write yes or no, tick the answer and given a box. So just in a computer also or in mobile phones, whatever you have to put in the place that is called slot. Slot. That is a given space. A given space. Or also written as a time or expression, time or position something. Time or position. Next one is given geared. Geared means adjusted. That means whenever you drive a bike or car, whatever, then you adjust a gear. Gear means you adjust the machine, the tool you want to use according to your according to your according to your, that means what you say, according to your wish, according to you whatever you want. And the last one is joy. What is that whatever word is missing here, maybe I am not able to read. Next one is regular. You know regular, that is normal. Regular means normal. Whatever going on nowadays, there is no any expression of or any grief, any surprise. That is regular. That is normal. Also, becha is a word, informal word. It is said that I am sure. Becha. It is said I am sure. I am sure. Also, some words are there. Dispute. Dispute means, suppose dispute. Dispute means, you know, quarrel. Disagree with or quarrel. Same thing. Quarrel. In Hindi we call jhagda. Nonchalantly. Nonchalantly. Give me a paper. Give me a piece of paper or cloth. Okay. Nonchalantly. Not showing much interest. Not showing much interest. So students, first of all, write the words from your books and their meanings. And if you have any, if you found any hard words from the chapter, from the lesson, you can ask me through my personal WhatsApp number. And you have to learn these words to understand the chapter well. So tomorrow, because I'm late today, late also. Tomorrow I will explain the chapter and upload the video. Thanks.